Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing some serious decluttering around here. I have stuff that I've been just like carrying around, like every time we move I bring it from house to house to house and I never use it. Yeah, it's starting to get to me. I just feel like stress when I look around the house and I see how much stuff we have. It just stresses me out inside, like I feel it in my body. So yeah, I decided I'm gonna go through my stuff. That's pretty much my stuff, and I don't know, not really the kid stuff. I pretty much go through the kid stuff all the time, like periodically. So I don't think I'm going to do too much with their stuff, mostly just my stuff. And I'm going to start with my closet and my dresser and clothes and that kind of stuff. Whatever's in my closet. I got more than clothes in my closet, but let me show you what that looks like. Alright, so here is my closet. It's kind of awkward and there's not very good lighting in here, so we'll see how this goes. I just have like this little light up here. Why is this not even on? Oh, there we go. Okay, now there's a tiny bit more light, but I have a shelf up here with just some storage. I got some bags here, and then all the way in the back I have like a cubby thing with some stuff on it, so we'll see what I can get rid of. I also have this bin here, which is like summer clothes. Like I use that for out of season clothes, and then I have this drawer thing here with some extra clothes. So yeah, I'm just gonna set the camera up in here and just start like pulling stuff out of the closet and probably just talk to you guys through it, like the thought process, what I want to get rid of, if I want to keep something, what I'm thinking. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started. This, like I said before, is out of season clothes, and it also serves as like, you know how a lot of people have like that spot in your room where you just like throw clothes that are not dirty yet, but they're not clean enough to hang back up in your closet? These are those clothes. So I have like cardigans and stuff, maybe I have like a pair of pants that, whatever, this is all just stuff I'm keeping. This is where I throw clothes. Okay, I have some purses. This I think I'm gonna sell. I've been holding on to this because it's like real Coach, but I don't know, I never use this for anything. Even like if we go somewhere fancy, like I never grab this one because it's just like a handle and I like to be able to put a bag on my shoulder, and I can't really like put it on my shoulder. So I don't know, I think I might see if I can sell this like locally or something. Couple bucks for that. Maybe I'll see how much it goes on eBay, but chances of me actually getting on eBay and selling something is slim to none. What else do I have in here? Oh, I have another purse in here. I have purses inside of purses here. I have another Coach purse that I never use this one either, but this is a real Coach. And it's real leather. I think I'm just gonna try to sell this one too. Right? Maybe I'll kick myself like years from now and like all of a sudden that's worth so much money and then I just got rid of it for 20 bucks on Facebook. This one I'm definitely keeping because I like this one for whenever I'm done with the diaper bag. I'm looking forward to being able to use this bag again, and I don't know, I might keep this one too. I don't have that many bags, so I think 2 is okay to keep. This is something that I've been carrying around from house to house with me. They're just 2 like cheapo canvases from Michael's. I think they were probably like $2 each, and I keep thinking that I'm gonna make something with these or like use them for something, do a art project or paint something. I'm not gonna paint anything. I haven't painted anything in years. They're like wrecked. I think Noah stood on them, so these are garbage. I have some stuff back here, like dresses and stuff for occasions where I might need a dress. My wedding dress is also back here too. Madison's communion dress. I think I'm going to donate that. This was my wedding dress and it was nothing fancy. I think I paid like, I don't even know how much I paid for this, 150 or something like this. I bought it online and I had one alteration done to the straps, I think. And that was it, and I've just been carrying it around from closet to closet for years now. It's even like, is it getting yellowy in the armpits? How? I only wore it one time. Yeah, it's like changing colors. I don't know what to do with this. I'm probably just gonna donate that too. Maybe someone can wear it for something. It's not even like a wedding dress. It's just like a white dress. So yeah, I am totally okay partying with that. You know what? I'm gonna take these clothes and just get them out of the way so I can get back here easier. This is boots that I'm going to be getting rid of. These are bear paw, and they're like really worn out inside. Like there's no more fur left in the inside. And I got a new pair of boots this year that I've been wearing. They're like waterproof. What are they? Sperry brand. They're really nice. So I've been wearing those this year instead of these. They're like easy to slip on, just like these were. I like these because I could just pull them on really quick, but I can do the same thing with the other ones. So yeah, I think I'm gonna get rid of these. I don't even know if I should donate them or what, because I wore them a lot, although the soles look pretty nice. I wore them a lot, but the inside is all like I said, there's no fuzzy stuff left around the heel. I don't really know what to do with these. I might just trash them. This is the shelf that I'm working on now. So I have these boots. I don't know. Why do I keep this stuff? This is something I've been keeping forever too, and I never wear these. Like, I kept them because I was like, oh, well, if I do, like, work outside or something, maybe I'll wear, like, work boots or something. They're nice. They're nice for, like, work boots, but I never wear them. I bought these so many years ago. Gosh. Waterproof. Oh, God. Ow. Those hurt. Okay, I'm not gonna wear these. Okay. So I just tried those on. I was like, let me just see if I would even wear these. These hurt my feet. What size are these? 8. They're a size 8, but I think my foot grew a little bit when I was pregnant and stuff, so I don't know. Maybe I'll sell these. Maybe I'll sell them on Facebook. Maybe someone will want them. I don't know. No, you know what? I can't sell them. I'm only gonna try to sell things if I can make like 20 bucks off of it. I have a bag of old makeup that I reach for occasionally, but hardly ever. I don't know. I think I'll see if Madison wants to play with any of this. I also have these sneakers up here, which I'm keeping for like when I do like yard work or something outside and I don't want to wear my nice sneakers. Should I keep these? I already have a pair of sneakers. I hate this. This is so hard sometimes to make decisions, but I've been keeping those sneakers. I don't think I wore them this whole last season when we were like doing gardening and everything outside of this house. I don't think I wore those. I'm gonna get rid of them, I think. I have a pair of sneakers. If those get all messed up, then whatever. I don't know. These are not donate. These are just like garbage. They're gross. This I am definitely keeping. I've just been holding on to this forever. My mom told me a story about this doll, and it was like, I don't know how old I was, like 3 or something like that, and I don't know, at one point they realized that I didn't have any dolls. My mom and dad were like, she doesn't have any dolls, like I was just playing with like my brother's toys, and my dad like ran out and got me like the nicest doll that he could find, what he thought was the nicest doll, and he got me this one. So I guess this was a popular doll at the time. I don't even know what this is called. Does it have a name? I don't know. If any of you guys know what this is, let me know. But her face is like soft, and she's got this really cute like seersuckle, is that what this is called? Like fabric? I don't know. I'm keeping her. She's just gonna sit on a shelf in my closet forever. Okay, so I took some more stuff down from the closet. Why do I have so much stuff? I don't know. But that shelf is all empty right now. Okay, so I have a bag for trash and a bag for donate and then a box for donate. so as far as clothes, what I'm getting rid of, I have 2 scarves that I never wear. This one, and then I have this one. I don't really like scarves. I don't really like anything around my neck. Number 1, it makes me sweat, and number 2, it's just like, it feels like I'm being choked. I'm getting rid of a skirt that I never wear, and if I was gonna get a skirt, I would get like a true like high-waisted skirt, or probably just a dress. I probably wouldn't even wear a skirt. Just a cardigan here that's like so rough feeling and old. I don't ever wear that anymore. And then these 2 dresses. This one I'm gonna donate. I wore this for something, Chase's baptism, I think, a few years ago, and that's the only time I ever wore it. I don't know, I just feel like I wouldn't wear this again. I don't know, I feel like I need to get a dress that like I like, that I feel good in, that's like my go-to dress when I need to wear a dress, type of dress. So maybe one day I'll have that, but that one isn't it. This one, this one I wore one time too for Madison's communion, I think. And I don't know, I just needed a dress, and my mom actually gave me this one or something. I don't remember exactly, but I'm gonna make sure she doesn't want this before I donate it. But yeah, I don't see myself wearing this one again. I mean, it's alright, I'm just not that crazy about the pattern for myself. So yeah, again, I just want to have like a dress that I really like, that I feel good in. So so this is my mom's old jewelry box that she wasn't gonna keep, and I said I would keep it. Like, I was gonna take it, well, I took it, and I was gonna like paint it or whatever and fix it up and like use it. But I just have a bunch of like fake jewelry in here, and I never really wear jewelry. I bet it's just a bunch of like, I don't know. I'm gonna go through it. I know there's nothing really good in here. I only have a couple pieces of jewelry that I like, that I wear very occasionally. And I'm just gonna, I don't know, I guess I'm gonna sell this, see if anybody wants it. The mirror like goes on top. It's probably like vintage or whatever. So yeah, I'm just gonna put all my jewelry in something else. I don't have much, like I said, so I'll just find something smaller to put it in and let this go to somebody else who has enough jewelry to fill it. Alright, I think it's the end of day 1. I gotta wrap this up. I'm not done yet, so I'm gonna have to do more tomorrow. All of this stuff I still have to go through. I have a bin down there that's just like a junk drawer bin that I need to go through. This has clothes in it. I have these fairies that I collected over the years, and I think I'm not gonna keep them. I keep saying I'm gonna put them on a shelf or something, but I don't know. They don't spark joy in me anymore. I've had them for so long, and now I'm just kind of over it. So I think I'll see if I can sell those. Alright, so I have this basket all full of like travel size stuff, like stuff that I've bought for vacations that we didn't end up using, or just like little things that you get from like the dentist's office and stuff, like little toothpaste. I don't know what to do with this. I have so much in here. This is the stuff I'm going to be getting rid of. But I kept some stuff that I actually like and that I'll probably use. The conditioners, I have like 2 conditioners and 2 like shampoo bottles. I'm just gonna use these. I'm gonna put them in the shower and just use them. That way I don't have to have them sitting in here, and I can just use them and at least not wasting them. Okay, so this top drawer has all like workout leggings and some workout shorts, just like workout clothes that I'm gonna be keeping in case I ever want to work out. This drawer has like painting clothes in it, just some crappy clothes that, I mean, this one I've already been painting in, this one I've been painting in, so just like crap clothes that I wear for painting. Then the bottom one, it just has a pair of leggings in it. These are ones that I got from, I just ordered these from Fabletics. I was so excited to get them. I ordered a medium and they're kind of too tight, so yeah, I only paid like $15 for them, so I'm keeping them, and I'm hoping that by the time I'm done losing 10 pounds that they'll fit me better. And then these are just some leggings that I bought on Amazon that I never even opened yet, but I still like them. They're just brand new ones. Then this is the stuff that I'm getting rid of that was in there. This is like a robe from Target that I bought just for when I had Noah, and that's the only time that I ever wore it. And just some old leggings that I don't wear. And just some more old crap clothes. And then I actually tried on these pair of jeans because I remember that they still fit me, or I thought that they still fit me, but I couldn't remember if they were high-waisted or not, and they're definitely not. They're like way below my belly button, and I don't know, there's just something about after having kids that makes me just only want to wear like high-waisted jeans, so I don't need to see my belly button, so I'm gonna donate those. So I am done. It took like 2 days, not full days, just 2 days working in spurts on this. But yeah, let me show you everything that I was able to clear out from my closet. That's all I did in this video was my closet. My dresser and my nightstand and under the bed is gonna have to be in a different video. That black bag is trash. This is all donate. That picture frame, I don't know, I'll probably put it in the garbage, I don't know. The white bag is donate, and then this is all donate with the exception of those sneakers. I'm gonna throw those out. And there might be some stuff in there that I'll try to sell, I don't know. And then this is what my closet looks like now. I feel like it looks so much better, especially the top shelf. There's like a lot less stuff up there. So that bin over here is just like sentimental stuff that I don't really access, but I just want to hold on to. It has like some old journals in it, and like cards and notes and stuff like that. And then this box here is just all pictures. So all the pictures I printed over the years are in there. Got my doll sitting up there. These clothes pretty much all stayed. These are just like my dressier clothes, I guess. What is going on with this one? Oh, this is an empty hanger. These are like dressier clothes that I just keep in case I need to wear something nice. And then here is that shelf. Yeah, that was a lot of fun. I feel a lot better about my closet. I feel really good about all of this stuff that is going to be leaving my room, and I'm really excited to do the rest of my bedroom and the rest of the house. But yeah, if you guys are excited to see more videos like this, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. And thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys all for my next one. Bye.